Now we have the problem of loop current method. The given are I1 is equals to 1 amps, R1 2 ohms, R2 5 ohms, R3 10 ohms, and RN 4 ohms. So to solve the problem, we will use the formula RT is equals to I1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over Rn, power of negative 1. So we will now substitute the given. Rt is equals to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4, power of negative 1. We get the total 20 over 9. To simplify, we have 2.22. Now we will get the R1T. R1T is equals to R1 plus RT. Now the R1 we have 2 ohms and the RT we have 2.22 ohms. So we will substitute. We have R1T is equals to 2 plus 2.22. We get the total of 2.22 ohms. Now we will get the volts. Volts total. Volts total is equals to I1 times RT. We will now substitute. We get the current 1 amps. So substitute here. We have VT is equals to 1 times 20 over 9 is equals to 2.22 volts. We will solve for the I2. I2 is equals to VT over R2. So we got 2.22 over 5. Now the total is 0.444 amps. We will now solve for R3. R3 is equals to VT over R3. So same with the R2, I2, 2.22 over 10, we will get the 0.222 amps for R3. To solve for IL, we will use VT over RL is equals to 2.22 over 4. The total will be 0.555 amps. We will now proceed to the case 2. Same with the case 1. The case 2 is R1, same with 2 ohms, R2, 5 ohms, we have 12 volts, R3 is equal to 10 ohms, RL is equal to 4 ohms. So we will use this formula. R3L is equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL, power of negative 1. To substitute, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4, power of negative 1, we will get the answer 20 over 7. To simplify, we will get 2.86 ohms. Now we will solve for RT. RT is equals to 1 over RT plus 1 over R3L. We will substitute. We get 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7 over 20, power of negative 1 is equals to, we get the total 20 over 11, or to simplify, 1.82 ohms. For IV is equals to V1 over RT is equals to 12 over 20 over 11. We will get the answer 66 over 20. So to simplify, 3.3 ampere. Now we will solve for I2 in case 2. I2 is equals to IV1 times R3L over R2 plus R3L. To substitute, we get 3.3 times 20 over 7 over 5 plus 20 over 7. So we get the total 1.98 ampere. We will solve now for I3L. I3L is equals to IV1 minus I2. Now, the I is equals to 3.3 minus 1.98 is equals to 32 amps. For I3 is equals to I3L times RL over R3 plus RL is equals to 1.32 times 4 over 10 plus 4 is equals to 0.38 amps. For IL is equals to I3L times R2 over R3 plus RL is equals to 1.32 times 10 over 14. The total we get is 0.98 amps.